Step 1. Install the top of the seat. Adjust headrest height based on seat back profile. Step 2. Install the seat back. Open the seat back flap before installation.
Step-by-step translation. Position the buckle textured side up. Insert the strap end upward through the forward hole of the buckle. After pulling through, immediately reverse downward and thread through the backward hole of the buckle.
Step 3. Installing the seat bottom. Step 4. Fix the front side elastics. Push down the Velcro under headrest plastic cover. To keep the wool soft and fluffy, brush it gently against the grain with a wide tooth comb. Slight color differences from photos are normal, just part of using natural materials.